Making Words, Lesson 5. Materials needed: whiteboard, whiteboard marker, eraser, booklet, and pencil. Directions. Do all 3 parts of the video. Do not skip ahead. Challenge yourself to make the changes before I do. And finally, segment and spell the words with me. Remember, you can rewind or pause the video at any time. Part 1, Making Words. Vowels A and U, and consonants B, D, H, N, and S. Okay, students, welcome. Lesson 5. Okay, vowels today are A like apple, and U, like umbrella. Our consonants in alphabetical order are B, D, H, N, and S. Go ahead and write these on your whiteboard. Remember, everything I do in my whiteboards, you should be doing on your whiteboard. Remember, everything I do on my whiteboard, you should be doing on your whiteboard. All right, word number 1, us. Go ahead and segment that. Us, us. Go ahead and spell it. U-S. Word number 2, we're going to add 1 letter to make the word bus. Go ahead and segment. B-U-S, bus. Okay, we're adding 1 letter to the beginning of the word. You hear that B sound first. B-U-S, bus, B-U-S. For the next word, we're going to rearrange the letters in the word bus to make the word sub. Get ready to segment. S-U-B, sub. Go ahead and erase these letters. Remember that we're using the same 3 letters in bus, right? But we put them in the new order. S, S, U, B, B. S, B, sub, S-U-B. Okay, the next word, we'll be changing 1 letter to go from the word sub to the word sun. Go ahead and segment that with me. S-U-N. Okay, again, the word was sun. Go ahead and change out that 1 letter. Let's check it. S-U-N, sun, S-U-N. Notice that this spelling of the word sun means the sun that we see in the sky. The word that means son or daughter is spelled S-O-N. That is not the word that we're spelling right now. Alright, the next word that we're going to spell rhymes with sun. The word is bun, as in I put the hamburger on a bun. Go ahead and segment that word. B-U-N. Again, B-U-N. Go ahead and change out 1 letter. Make that S-A-B. B-U-N. B-U-N. Alright, the next word is going to change just 1 letter. We're going to go from the word bun to the word ban. As in, they tried to ban that book from the library. B-A-N. Ban. Okay, change out the vowel. Went from like umbrella to A like apple. B-A-N. Ban. Alright, the next word changes just 1 letter. We're going to make the word bad. Get ready to segment. B-A-D. Bad. Go ahead and change the N to a D. Segment with me. B-A-D. Bad. B-A-D. Okay, for our next word, we're going to be changing 1 letter. We'll be making the word bud, as in a rosebud. Get ready to segment. B-U-D. Bud. Okay, if you've noticed that we have to change the vowel, you are correct. B-U-D. Get ready to segment. B-U-D. Bud. Alright, the next word that we're going to make is the word had. Get ready to segment. A-D. Had. Okay, notice that the ending sound is the same as in bud, so I'm going to keep the D, but the first two letters have to go. I hear the H sound, A as in apple, D, had, H-A-D. Excellent job. All right, the next word is and. We went to the store and the movies. Go ahead. Notice that the last sound, again, is the D sound, so we're going to keep the D. We're going to take out the first two letters to spell the word and. We went to the store and the movies. A-N-D. Okay. Our next word will be adding one letter to make the word hand. Get ready to segment. A-N-D. Hand. Go ahead and add that H. Hand. A-N-D. Hand. The next word that we're going to spell is the word sand, as in we made a sand castle at the beach. Get ready to segment sand. S-A-N-D. Sand. I noticed that the last three letters and sounds are the same as in hand, so I'm only changing the first letter, replacing the H with an S. S-A-N-D. Sand. Excellent. The next word is band, as in she played the trumpet in the band. Go ahead and segment the word band. B-A-N-D. Band. Okay. Again, last three letters and sounds are the same. So we're going to change just the first letter, replacing the S with a B. Okay, Kipsters, now it's time to try to figure out our secret word, which uses all the letters, the vowels, and the consonants for lesson 5. Your hint is a man who is married is called this. Go ahead and you can pause the video. Okay, you've had some time to think. And if you've figured out our hint, a man who is married is called this. And if you guessed husband, you are correct. And it is spelled H-U-S-B-A-N-D. Great job, you finished part 1 of the Making Words lesson. Be sure to clear your whiteboards off and get out your booklet to prepare for part 2. Okay, lesson 5, part 2, we're into the sorting words part, and now you are working in your workbooks. Make sure you put lesson 5 at the top. The vowels for today, A like apple, like umbrella, and our consonants in alphabetical order, B, D, H, N, S. Go ahead and put the secret word in. Okay, for part 2, first we're going to copy down all the words that we made in part 1. Let's get started. The first word that we made was the word us. Us, U-S. Then we added one letter to make the word bus. Get ready? B-U-S. Bus, B-U-S. Then we rearranged the letters in the word bus to make the word sub, S-A-B, sub. Then we changed one letter to make the word sun. Get ready? S-A-N, S-U-N. Number 5 rhymes with sun. The word is bun. Get ready to segment. B-A-N, B-U-N. Number 5, we needed to change the vowel to make the word ban. Get ready? B-A-N, ban. Then we changed one consonant to make the word bad. For number 7, bad. B-A-D, B-A-D. For number 8, we changed the vowel sound to go from bad to the word bud. Get ready to segment. B-A-D, bud. In number 10, the first 2 letters changed. We made the word had. Get ready to segment. H-A-D, had. For number 10, the word was and. A-N-D, and. Number 11, the word was hand. and, hand. Then we have the word sand, and, sand, S-A-N-D. Number 13 is band, B-A-N-D, band. And finally, our secret word was husband, husband, H-U-S-B-A-N-D. Okay, those are all the words that we had in part 1. Notice there are only 14 of them. Now we're going to go down here. I'm going to make sure you have all your columns set up to do the correct sorts. For this part, we're sorting the words according to their rhyming pattern, and remember that rhyming means the words sound the same at the end of the word. For example, the word at and bat have the same ending sound, so they rhyme. I would put them together in the same column. Alright, we'll have 4 columns today. The first one will be bad. Okay, remember I always come up here and I check it off once I've used it. The next column will be bus, looking for words that rhyme with bus. The third column will be the word sand. Okay, looking for words that rhyme with sand. And the last column will be the word bun, looking for words that rhyme with the word bun. Okay, you'll list those words down below. Remember, if there are words that do not rhyme with any of those 4 categories of words, then you'll put them in this space below. Go ahead and pause the video now as you sort the words on your own. Okay, by now you've had time to sort, so you know that the word that rhymes with bad is the word had, so you should have that word right here. Remembering that the part that rhymes includes the vowel through the end of the word, from the vowel through the end of the word. Bad, had. The word that rhymes with bus is the word us. Okay, see that right here. Sand, there were quite a few words that rhymed with sand. We have the word and. Okay, again, it's from the vowel through the end of the word that makes it rhyme. Hand, band, and husband. The word that rhymes with bun is sun. Okay, that leaves 3 words up here that did not have any other words that rhymed with it. So we'll put those 3 words down here if you have not already done so. Those words were sub, ban, and bud. None of those words had any other words that rhymed with it. Okay? Now we're moving on to part 3 of the spelling test. Part 3 is the spelling test. Here's your chance to practice all that work we just did in lesson 5. So listen to the words that I give you. Spell the words using those rhyming patterns in the words above to help you. Also, I should hear you segmenting each sound. That will help you spell each word correctly. Okay, number 1. Number 1 is grand. $1,000 is sometimes called a grand. Grand. Number 2, glad. I am glad to see you today, said the teacher. Glad. Number 3, brand. What is your favorite brand of cereal? Brand. And finally, number 4, the word is run. She went for a run after school. Run. Number 1, grand. Number 2, glad. Number 3, brand. Number 4, run.